Welcome back to the Furious Vibe, the channel where we bring you the boldest rides, smart travel hacks, and real talk about the gear that fuels your adventures. If you're into road trips, off-grid living, and vehicles that pack a punch without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into something that's stirring up interest across the van life and budget camping communities, the 2026 Dacia Dokker Campervan. Now, Dacia has always been about simplicity, utility, and affordability. And with the new 2026 Dokker Campervan, they've taken that philosophy and tailored it for the modern nomad. Built on the reliable and spacious Dokker platform, this compact campervan offers a practical approach to mobile living without unnecessary gimmicks. What sets the 2026 version apart is its refined design, updated interior, and smart integration of camper features that make it more livable than ever before. Under the hood, the Dokker sticks to its efficient roots. It's powered by Dacia's updated TC petrol engine or the tried and tested blue DCI diesel, both delivering excellent fuel economy, something any long-distance traveler will appreciate. It's not a powerhouse, but it doesn't need to be. The focus here is endurance and economy, and with a manual gearbox as standard, you get that tactile connection with the road, perfect for the kind of control you want when navigating tight countryside lanes or mountain passes. Inside, Dacia has collaborated with camper conversion specialists to offer a factory-backed modular camping setup. You've got a foldable bed platform that transforms into a seating area, ample storage compartments, and a slide-out kitchen unit. That includes a single-burner stove, a compact sink, and even space for a mini fridge. For a van of this size, that's impressive. It's minimal, yes, but that's the point. This camper van is about function over flash. The design upgrades are worth noting too. The 2026 Dokker features a sleeker front grille, LED daytime running lights, and more aerodynamic lines that give it a slightly more refined profile than its predecessor. Inside, the cabin now includes an updated infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus essential driving aids like hill start assist and rear parking sensors. Features that make this van a lot more comfortable to drive and live with day to day. Another big win is the price. Dacia continues to deliver unbeatable value, and the Dokker Campervan stays true to that promise. It's one of the most affordable new campervans on the market in 2026, making it an ideal entry point for weekend warriors, solo travelers, and even digital nomads who want a no-nonsense mobile base. For those who want to push it further, Dacia is also offering optional extras like a roof-mounted solar panel, an integrated pop-top for extra headroom, and sleeping space and a winter pack with better insulation. It's clear they've been listening to what real travelers want, and while it's not a luxury rig, the Dokker delivers what matters most: practicality, reliability, and the freedom to roam without limits. So if you've been waiting for a new campervan that doesn't drain your wallet but still gets the job done, the 2026 Dacia Dokker Campervan should be on your radar. It's rugged, smart, and unapologetically utilitarian, just the way we like it here on the Furious Vibe. Stick around, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd take the new Dokker out on your next road trip.